Okay, so now I'm going to explain to you the templates, how I've programmed the template function in the Evolution by creating only one page, and this page I can reuse it with links. So I don't, it's different than normal pages. You could obviously create 300 different rooms, different pages, and open each and every one of those pages and have to do all the 300 times, but it's much easier with templates. So you create only one room, and the links opening the room have the process points assigned to it. So that you can only do obviously if the room is the same room, so with the same type of furniture, the same background. If there are maybe different configuration of different room configuration, you can do one template for each room configuration. So instead of having 300 rooms, maybe you've got 5 different types of rooms only. Okay, so you create only those 5 types of rooms. So let's have a look now how I've done that. Let's go to the evolution itself. And in this evolution, I can show you the room. I've created bedroom 1 page. Now that we're in the editor, let's have a look at how I've done it. I've created bedroom 1 page. In this bedroom 1 page, I've placed the elements. So I've placed here a transparent layer where on top I placed these different buttons. For instance, these ones there, each having its function. For the blind, for instance, blind function, and the slider of the blind, the alarms, the lights to switch on and off, and I link the process points to each of these. But what makes this unique is the process points and the type of process points used, which is called template process points. I will explain now how to create them, and also the links to open this page. So as I said, we have in the home page, we've got this room navigation here, and in this room navigation I've got links. These links open the same page. So as I said in earlier video, have a look. This link opens the 757 bedroom 1 page. 757 bedroom 1 page is this page here, and this link opens also 757 bedroom 1 page. But if you have a look in the visualization, you go to this one and you switch the lights, for instance, on here. Okay, now I'm going to go to this one. So I'm going to close this one. I'm going to click on this one. And okay, this is unfortunate. I'm going to switch them off here. So one is now on and the other one is off. So this one now, you see, it's on. I just switched it off in the other side. So they're totally independent from each other. They are not linked with each other. How did I do that? How could I link that if it's opening the exact same page? This is done because we are using templates. And the templates are using template process points. So if I have a page, this is the bedroom 1 page, and in this page there are template process points linked to the objects, automatically when you link from the navigation, if you have a link and you open one of these pages, automatically this tab will be created, the template parameter tab. Okay, so this template parameter tab only appears if this link opens a template page. So did you see here? There's the bedroom 1 page. The bedroom 1 page, let's go to the bedroom 1 page, has template process points linked to them. Okay, there are the template process points. So now let's have a look how to create these template process points. You have to go into the process point page, and there's a folder which is called templates. So in this template folder, you can create now template process points. So with your right click, you just create a new template process point. If you click on new template process point, you can give it a name. Now this name must be everything which you want to be filled in. You need to put in brackets. Now I'm not going to do it now from scratch. I'm going to show you how I've done this. So to do this, let's go to the process points which I've created. So for instance, any one of these, let's go to a light, for instance, which is an easy one. Bedroom, subgroup bedroom, lamp left. This one, for instance. So what I've done is I've created a process point and I placed it in brackets. I placed gateway in brackets. The colon is outside of the brackets, so this will be this is just part of the name, but it's not in the link. So I will show it to you now. So if you want something in the name, you just don't put it in brackets and then it will be just in the name. But the rest are placeholders. So gateway, main group, middle group, subgroup, bed, lamp, left are the placeholders which you can then later put in the group address. Now I've, because this is not a real process point, this is a virtual process point, but I wanted to give it a similar structure than a normal process point. I have written gateway, colon, and instead of / I used a dash here in between. Now in a normal group address structure, you would have used here / But as I said, these are virtual data points, and to not confuse them with real data points, I've created a dash in between. Okay, so these, when I link now, when I take this and I link this to this, I think it's this one, bedroom left, 638, it's a 638, you see there. I can just drag and drop it on top of this, and then I link it. You can also drag and drop it there. Then this element is linked with this template process point. Now, this template process point, once you link it to the visualization, let's go again to the visualization. You link it to the room, home. For instance, this one here. It creates these template parameters. Now, everything I've put into brackets appear here now. So gateway, I put it, I had it in brackets. That's why the name gateway appears here. In another bracket, the square brackets was the lamp left. So it was subgroup bed lamp right, and there's another one subgroup bed lamp left at some place. So there you put the group address for this bedroom right, for instance. So you can set up your group address structure by just putting the different names here to the right and the different group address numbers here. So the middle group, for instance, for the lights was the 1. The middle group for the alarms is 5. So I can set up these exactly as in my ETS project. I just set here the group addresses, and then I set what I've used for this one. I created a different main group. A different middle group for this one, and a different middle group. No, I actually created different main groups for this one. So I created different main group for this one, different main group for this one, different main group for this one, and I used the same numbers of the group addresses in the rooms. And here I just added 20 to all of them. There I just also added 20 to them, but with the same main group as this one. So this one has different main groups to this one and to this one. And here I just added 20, 20, 20. But that's obviously you can do as you wish, as your ETS project is done. So you create here the group address structures. So if you have a look here, I repeat the same thing, but I used a different main group. Let's have a look at the main group. Here is the main group 4. here the main group 5, and there the main group will be 6, there the main group will be 7, 8, 9, and so on. So by doing this, I then eventually, and I link this always to the same page, so I just copied the same link various times. Automatically, it will create all of these process points here to the left. So these folders, sorry, let's go to the template. These folders here, inside of them, they have created automatically the process points for all the different rooms. So this is a process point gateway : 1/1/1 because it's linked to this one there. This one was created because it was linked to this one, to this one there. This one was created because it's linked to another one, and so on. So the 22/11/22 would be, for instance, this one there. So this link there, 11/22. So these are all the process points created automatically by assigning them to these links here at the left-hand side, which you fill in here at the right. Now, once you've done that, your visualization is created. You don't need to create anything new. Let's have a look how it's done. So in bedroom 1 page, you can take, for instance, this and say, I don't like the position here. I like it more on top of the lamp because there's more contrast. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to put this one there, for instance. I save it, and then I export this. And now I can go directly to the visualization. So I'm going to load now, reload the page quickly. And I'm going to go into the floor. Okay, so now, as you can see, I've changed this in one page, and there's the icon. Now, on top of this, before it was here to the left, and this one was more there. So I've just created in one page, and it's in all of the pages changed. So if you just want to change, retouch something in the design, you don't need to change this now 300 times. You just need to change it in one page, and magically it's done in all 300 pages. As you can see here, in all of the pages, this element is there. And have a look. All of the elements are independent one of each other. This is not the same. It's one page, but they are totally independent the one of each other. So you have really different group addresses sent here to the bus, and different group addresses sent there to the bus, and different group addresses sent here. So each and every room has its own group address linked to it, because what you've done here is you've linked it in the links, not in the room. So it's also, I'm not going to lie to you, it's also work to set up here all the group addresses, but it's less work than having to create this room so many times and losing overview of which room was which one, and also to have also the so many images repeated in the same project folder, because you have to create all these pages so many times. So I think this can really help you to have these templates. Now, in the next versions of the Evolutions, we're even going to make this module even better. We have some very nice ideas to make it better. So we are always updating the features in the Evolution. Okay, so I hope you like this template module, which is really can save you a lot of time.